Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pix 7 application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Pix 7 application for your Android, first, open up a web browser from your Android phone. In the search box, type in Pix 7 app download and perform your search. Scroll down and from the search result, click on this link that says racing.com Pix 7 APK download for Android, which will take you to apkmonk.com. Now, tap on the download APK button and in the pop-up, tap on download. Wait for a few minutes until the downloading process is completed, and once the download is completed, simply open it up. If you see this kind of an interface where it says for your security your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from the source, tap on settings and tap on the toggle button right next to allow from the source. Now get back to the same page and you'll be able to see this pop up. Tap install and wait for the APK to be installed on your mobile device. Soon after it is done, tap done. Now you'll be able to find the application right on your app drawer. Give it a tap to open, and that is how you can easily download Pix 7 application right on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.